If you have ever said 我是在家, this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been learning Spanish lately, and recently I learned the difference between ser and estar. They made me think there is a similar situation in Chinese. I have seen so many Chinese learners mixing up these two words all the time. Those two words are 在 and 是. So today we are going to talk about their difference. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start today's video. We will start with 是. 是 almost equals to be in English. It's usually for identity, situations, or what something is. The sentence structure is like subject plus 是 plus noun. For examples, 我是老师 I'm a teacher. 你是学生 You are a student. 他是德国人 He's German. 这是咖啡 This is coffee. So you see the sentence pattern is always like 是 plus noun. Why I emphasize it again? Because you can use 是 plus noun. Or if you want to describe this noun a little bit, you can use 是 plus adjective plus noun. But what you cannot do is use 是 plus adjective only. For examples, you cannot say 你是漂亮 because 漂亮 means pretty and it's an adjective. So you cannot use 是 plus 漂亮. You can say 你是一个漂亮的女生 You are a pretty girl. Or 你很漂亮 You are very pretty. So the same logic, you cannot say 我是累 but 我很累. Now repeat after me. 我是老师你是学生他是德国人这是咖啡你很漂亮我很累 Okay, now let's look into the word 在 在 has two different usages. The first one means on, in, at. And when it means on, in, at, the sentence structure is like subject plus 在 plus a place name. For examples, 我在家 I'm at home. 你在学校 You are at school. 我们在墨西哥 We are in Mexico. Repeat after me. 我在家你在学校我们在墨西哥 Okay, now the second usage. It can also mean some actions ongoing. In English, we plus ing by the end of the verb for the actions you are doing at the moment. While in Chinese, we use the word 在. The sentence structure is like subject plus 在 plus verb. For examples, 我在喝咖啡 I'm drinking coffee. 他在做瑜伽 She is doing yoga. 你在干什么 What are you doing? Repeat after me. 我在喝咖啡他在做瑜伽你在干什么That's basically the rules. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison. We will put them with the same subject to see the difference more clearly. 我是学生 I'm a student. 我在学校 I'm at school. 他是厨师 He's a cook. 他在做饭。He is cooking. 我们是朋友。We are friends. 我们在聊天。We are chatting. I think it should be clear by now, right? So to summarize, 是 almost equals to be. You can understand this as something is what. While 在 means at, in, on, or something ongoing. You can understand this as where something is, or what somebody is doing. If you remember these, you will 100% never mix them up. Now let's do a quick quiz. Please fill in the blank with the correct word. 我中国人。你家吗？他老师。他教书。How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Well, that's all for today's video. If you think it's helpful, please like it and subscribe so you won't miss my next video. See you next time. Bye bye!